Now, come here, Ringo. So, Shanti, your turn. Sideways. More stylish from Shanti. Alright, guys, give a big hand to Shanti and Ringo. Hello, what a beautiful couple from Amazon. Thank you, Mr. Hussein. And for your information, parrots are very intelligent birds. They can learn many tricks and many words. For example, an African grey parrot can learn up to 3,000 words in their lifetime. Okay, amazing. Okay, up next, please welcome Poppy, our first green-winged macaw, and his trainer, Mr. Carlson. Okay, wow, very beautiful bird. Okay, and this time we have a color wooden block. Right, Poppy will arrange back a wooden block according to shape and color. Let us see. Okay, the first one, green, yellow, blue, one more. Red, well done. And now we try one more time, but this time let's start with red first. Okay, red, blue. Okay, stop, Mr. Kansono. Alright, let us change. Kita tukar pula. Yeah, great. Last one. Yellow. Well done. A big hand to Poppy. Our great wing macaw. Brilliant. Alright, thank you, Poppy. Thank you, Mr. Kansono. Alright, good job. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Up next, please welcome Jody, our second great wing macaw. Okay, Poppy's best friend. Okay, his name is Jody. And right now we are going to test Jody eyesight. How sharp Jody eyesight? Okay, let's find out. Over here we have 3 empty balls and the wooden dice. 1, 2, 3, and the wooden dice. Okay, and for this act, Jody is going to find the dice inside one of the ball. Okay, alright, Jody. Before that, focus. Are you ready? Where is it? Where is the dice? Yeah. And now one more time. Okay, one more time. Mr. Hussein, can you please spin it around the ball a bit faster? Okay? One more time. Faster, please. Alright, Jody, are you focused? Concentrate, okay? Wow, I'm confused already. Okay, Jody, where is the dice? Alright, well done. A big hand to Jody, bravo. Okay, thank you, Jody. Thank you, Mr. Hussein. Well done, good job, guys. Bye-bye. And we need to find the hidden dice, okay? Brilliant. Okay, up next, please welcome our smartest bird in KL Bird Park. Okay, his name is Smarty, our blue angle macaw. Alright, guys. A big hand to Smarty! Thank you. Okay, now we'll try now, Mr. Carlson. Okay, and right now we are going to test Smarty IQ. We come to the mathematics. We will give Smarty 2 numbers to add up. First number comes from the trainer and second number comes from audience. But the total must not be more than 15. 1, 5, okay? Smarty, test the bell first. Okay, very good. First number, Mr. Carlson, 5. Okay, 5 plus. So, sorry? 10. Wow, 10. Okay, we go with 10 first. Okay, 5 plus 10. Focus, please, Marty. 5 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. A big hand to Smarty. That was correct. Okay, we try one more time. First number, 6. Okay, 6 plus.
7.
Too many numbers. Please raise out your hand. I'll pick you which one who want to give the number. Okay, over there, sir. What number? 3. We go with 3. 6 plus 3. Okay, ready, Smarty. 6 plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done, well done. A big hand to Smarty, okay? Wow, brilliant. That was correct also, Smarty. Alright, thank you, Smarty. Continue your homework, okay? Thank you, Mr. Carlson. Well done. Wow, very